Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Choosing a Kodi add-on can feel like a total maze, but we are going to break it down step by step to get you streaming fast. To understand how this works, you first need to know that add-ons are basically just apps for Kodi that unlock all your favorite content. There are three main types you will run into, which are free links, debrid, and torrents. Your first big decision is choosing between the free route or a paid debrid service. Free links are obviously great because they cost nothing, but they can sometimes be a bit unreliable. If you want to start with the best free add-ons for movies and shows, you should look into Scrubs v2. Another solid choice is free.99 because it is super quick. You can also try Ghost, which has a fantastic one-click section for easy watching. Now, if you decide to go with the debrid service, you're going to get a much more premium experience with solid links. For this setup, the Crew is a massive all-in-one option that covers almost everything. Umbrella is another fantastic choice. And Fen is perfect if you consider yourself a power user. But Kodi is not just about movies and TV shows. If you want live TV, you should check out Samsung TV Plus or Plex to stream channels from all over the world. For the sports fans out there, Daddy Live and The Loop are your absolute go-to choices for catching the game. If you love anime, you have to check out Otaku or watch Nicktoons because they have massive libraries ready to go. The final and most crucial step is actually getting these add-ons onto your device. Every add-on lives inside something called a repository. You have to install the repo address first before you can access the add-on itself. Once you have the URL for the specific repo you are interested in, you are ready to start. Now you know the different types of add-ons and the top picks for 2026. It is time to get your setup running.